the importance of being your own case manager. Having you become the one individual in the care of a loved one that has all of the component parts available to them, the big picture. A lot of our TBI residents have multiple physicians that they go to see. It could be a urologist, a neurologist, an orthopod, dentist, primary care, sometimes several primary care individuals within a given practice. It's important, it's imperative actually for one individual to have all of that information available to them. Put yourself together a 3-ring binder and then have each section separated out. So you've got your dentist, you've got your neurologist, you've got your urologist, you've got your primary care notes. They're all there. Because it's easy for any one individual physician to get, with the workloads that a lot of them have, to not have a running piece of information right readily available when you walk into an appointment. But if you do, you can help them with that so that you're not getting re-prescribed the same thing over again. If there are changes that need to be made, you can assist with, oh, by the way, we talked about this the last time, we implemented this the last time, and it's really important now that we think maybe we might need to make some changes with that. Developing a relationship with the doctor is really important. On your end, as the case manager, it's not so much that you want to go in there and be challenging and be confrontative. You really want to come into this as an adjunct and an assistant and to be supportive. You may have to be directive at times, for sure. But the notion is that you're looking for a partnership here. And if you go into a scenario and you're willing to have that kind of conversation with your doctor, look, I want to have a partnership. I'm the one taking care of this individual on a day-to-day basis. I know what's going on a day-to-day basis. And when we come into an appointment, we're really dealing with this sort of a snapshot scenario where I'm watching the movie every day. So you have to be willing to go into each office, right, to talk to each one of the specialists as an assistant, as a helper. Because at the end of the day, you're the individual that has the entire big picture in front of you laid out, and you see all the day-to-day things that the docs just cannot possibly.